Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will show you how to forcefully uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows using a free and trusted tool. And now let's get started. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. While we personally do not recommend uninstalling Microsoft Edge, as some core Windows features depend on it, we understand that many users simply do not want it on their system. If you still wish to remove it, this is the fastest and cleanest way to do so. The tool we are about to show you is safe, portable, meaning it does not require installation, and it has been around for years. It has also been recommended by major tech publications, such as TechRar, so you can be assured you are using something trusted. Let us get started. Open your preferred web browser and search for Geek Uninstaller. It should appear as the first search result. Click on the link, then select Download. Under the free version for personal use, choose the zip option. The file is small, only about 3 megabytes. Once the download is complete, right-click on the downloaded file and select Extract All. Inside the extracted folder, double-click on the geek.exe file. You will notice there is no setup or installer required. It is completely portable. If Windows prompts you for permission, simply click on Yes. Geek Uninstaller will then display a list of all applications installed on your computer. Scroll down the list until you find Microsoft Edge. Right-click on it and select Force Removal. Click Yes to confirm. A window will appear showing leftover files and registry entries. Leave all options selected and click Finish. Give it a few moments, and it will completely remove Edge along with any remnants it leaves behind. This process goes much deeper than the standard Windows uninstall features. Once the removal is complete, close all the windows. At this point, Microsoft Edge should be fully removed from your system. If you search for it, you will no longer find it. Keep in mind that Windows Update may occasionally attempt to reinstall Edge automatically. If this occurs, you will simply need to repeat these same steps to remove it again. And that is how you forcefully remove Edge from your system. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.